Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Zainab kitchen. Today's recipe jamishire drink. 2 glass chilled milk. Add 4 tablespoon sugar as per taste. 5 tablespoon jamishire. Mix well. 3 tablespoon soaked took malanga. 3 tablespoon almond copped. Strawberry jelly 1 packet cut into cubes. Add jelly and mix well. Ice cubes. Add 2 tablespoon jelly in glass. Pour prepared milk in glass. Jamishire drink is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching this video.